how to activate AppleCare Plus. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can activate AppleCare Plus. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to activate your AppleCare Plus, let us explore the options we have. So first, it's important you go to this website, which is checkcoverage.apple.com. And you simply have to enter a device serial number of a device, of an Apple device that you own specifically, to see what kind of extended warranty you have or coverage you have. In my case, I already have one of the devices shown here, so I'll simply select that. So after I log into my Apple ID also, you can see I have my purchase date here, and I can see I also have my limited warranty. And here you can see my coverage includes the following benefits. So normally, if you have your Care Plus plan activated whenever you purchase it, that plan is actually automatically activated. As you can see in my case also, I have got hardware service for up to 1 year and chat and phone support for technical support as well. If you still want to have further options, then I would recommend you contact the support team by clicking on the Start Now button to get in touch with Apple themselves. But to give you an idea, this is how you do it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.